Going on, FUD fighters? This FUD fighter Juice in the building. First, want to say this is not financial advice, and this is for entertainment, education purposes only. So, what the FUD is going on in the crypto market? All right, I know we was hurting this weekend, but look, it's up a little bit by 1.28%. At $1.74 trillion market cap, and like I said in my previous videos, I want to see this go into the $2 trillion market cap as a crypto whole before we start seeing a bullish momentum. So right now, sitting at the fear and greed index, we are in fear. Last week and over this weekend, we were extreme fear, which I feel like was a perfect opportunity to pack your bags, do your research, and get into projects that you have already and start adding positions, or get into something new that you always wanted to get into but haven't yet. Because I'm telling you right now, millionaires are made in the extreme fear and fear sentiment. Millionaires will not be made in extreme greed. All right, I'm just letting you guys know that right now. Millionaires will be made in extreme fear, because this is the perfect opportunity to buy your bags, because you buy low and you can sell high, not buy high and then sell low, because that is the total wrong way. And keep in mind also, there is a lot of market manipulation, FUD going on. And the reason I say this is because we're going to look at this article right now, why Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are down today. And you already know that this market follows Bitcoin, because this is the North Star of all cryptocurrencies. And even if your coin is down today or last week or a couple weeks, just think about why you got into the project in the first place, okay? Because I get into projects in the first place because I know the rumors coming out. You know that saying, buy the rumor, sell the news. And that's kind of how I play this market. And I do have my long-term positions. And we're going to go over the coins that we got into when we first started this channel, and on our road from 0 to 250,000, and what we're doing now and how is it going, okay? Because Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, mostly all cryptocurrencies are in the red, but we're trending upwards. Okay, so it is what's happening right now. There's a lot of FUD going down. Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, Tesla is even going down. Everything's going down. So look, so what's happening? Bond yields continue to rise this morning as investors muled the macro outlook, which is being impacted by several factors, including rising inflation. Okay, that it's crazy right now. Everything's hella expensive. I'm from California, and we are probably one of the most expensive states to live in, and yeah, it's not fun. So anyways, Russia's ongoing invasion of Ukraine and Federal Reserve's monetary plans. All right. So the yield on this closely watched U.S. 10-year Treasury bill rose to around 2.75%. Okay, and we now know the Fed is planning to raise the benchmark's overnight lending rate. Okay, so interest rates are going up, and I think that a lot of these institutional investors who are in crypto move money into bonds so they can make more money, since these rising interest rates are going up. And I feel like that's what's happening right now, and it's creating a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. All right, that's what FUD stands for. All right, and smart investors will start adding their position into the market when it is down, which is pretty much right now, and holding on tight, because patience is the key to winning into crypto market. All right, so look at the Fed also raised the federal fund rate by half of a percent point all at once this year, a deviation from the normal 0.25. So yeah, they are going to go up, and bonds are also going to go up. So just keep in mind, I'll leave this article down below. We want to jump right into it. All right, the first coin that we dumped our money into is XRP. And the reason why I'm still very bullish on this, although it looks like now the resolution will come in 2023 because SEC is probably scared out of their pants that XRP will win this lawsuit, and it's looking very favorable in XRP's case. But anyways, XRP, not because it's just a use case, and they're doing partnerships with the big institutional banks such as Bank of America, Wells Fargo, all those big banking industries for wire transfers and transferring, and also their whole platform as in general. Once they win this lawsuit, and the reason I'm super bullish in this is once they win this, they are going to start relisting on those exchanges that it was previously listed by. So it's kind of like a new listing coming up, right? And I'm packing my bags. It's trading around like 61 or 62 cents, something like that right now at this time of recording. And all-time high was, I believe, around $3 or $4 or something like that. But anyways, if you could tell by this movement right now, look, it is sitting at the number 6 spot, and it hasn't moved too much in the last. And I think something big is gonna happen as soon as this lawsuit's done. It will start relisting on all these exchanges. And let's see right now, if you go down, look at all these exchanges that I think the only one that really does, it's hard to buy in the US, but you could buy it at KuCoin right now. And you could also buy this I bought mine on Uphold. But look at all these exchanges that were listed: crypto.com, what's it called, Coinbase. I even seen that on Robinhood, Binance, Gemini, all these things that they have it on. They're gonna start relisting it, okay? And once they start relisting this XRP, and as soon as this lawsuit's done, I feel like overnight it's gonna be a explosion that's gonna go through the roof. So I'm gonna keep on. I really feel like, in my opinion, it's gonna go to $20. To be honest, I really feel like it's gonna go to $20. In the long term, it's not gonna go overnight, but in the long term, I do feel like it will be at a $20 value, and it's not as long term as you think. I'm thinking like within like a year and a half, 2 years, I think it'll go to $20. That's in my opinion only. All right. Next one that we are going to talk about, Shiba Inu, my boy Shiba Inu. All right. So Shiba Inu, the reason I'm also still bullish on this project is because they're keeping adding utility to this token. The burn mechanism did come out, and it's very easy to find. If you guys want to start burning tokens, I know I'm going to start burning these as well. Let's go to SHIB. Let's see. Maybe we could go to Shiba. Let me see this. So if you go to the shibaswap.com, sorry, my computer's kind of loading slow right now, but I believe it was one of these ones on the hyperlink. We'll come right back to that. But anyways, Shiba Inu, I know we got listed on Robinhood. It was a little too late for that listing, but they are coming out with Shibarium Layer 2, which is their own blockchain. All right, and I think that's going to be huge for this community, as well as their SHI. I believe it's called SHI token, which is their stable coin. But this is going to allow more access to this coin and lower gas fees and faster transactions. So this is going to be huge when Shiba Inu, they're breaking off from, it's not a meme coin anymore. They're breaking off more into a actual token and an actual real altcoin, not a meme coin anymore, right? So you could throw that out the window, and this thing is sitting at still number 15th largest market cap in the whole crypto market, and I feel nothing but bullish news, and I'm gonna hold on tight to this project. This is gonna be one of my long-term projects that I will be holding no matter what, and I just love the community and how big it is and what direction they're going, and this layer 2 blockchain is going to be absolutely nuts when it comes out, and I can't wait to see this until it launches. So hopefully this comes sooner than later. It will release, like, we don't have a release date, Shibarium, but it could launch as early as mid of 2022, so it should be launching this year. So I'll leave this article down below so you guys can know about it, but super bullish on Ripple and Shiba. All right. Now, Okay, so now it says, should you buy Doji Mars? This is another project that is getting me some Shiba Inu vibes. If you go on the coin market cap, let's go to Doji. What's this? Doji Mars. Okay, they're sitting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're sitting at 6089. All right, 6089, still down a little bit, but this is giving me huge Shiba Inu vibes. You're getting in pretty early because I believe their all-time high. Let's see. Click this. Look at all-time highs was at 1, 2, 4 zeros, 3, 2. So this is a very great project. As you could tell, the market cap is under $500 million. But for some reason, with a coin like this that's pretty new, that's not have too much utility on there, if you could check right now, look how many exchanges they're on. Gemini, they're on KuCoin, Gate.io, Crypto.com, Bitmart, ShibaSwap, tons of good exchanges, but there's one that's missing in these the top dogs, right? Is going to be Coinbase, and I think sooner or later, once this hit Coinbase, this thing is gonna probably, I think it's gonna burn zero before it hits Coinbase, but I think it could burn another zero. I think we're gonna be burning 2 zeros as soon as it hits Coinbase. And this project, to me, once it gets into the $1 billion market cap, it will be in the top 100. And this, I just have a feeling for some reason. I put a bag in there, okay? So I'm currently holding around 5 billion tokens, and I'm keep on adding my position slowly and slowly. All right. So that is the third project that we are in. The fourth one is THOR, because I need some passive income. All right. So I need some passive income. Although the price is down on THOR, I love how the community is. If you don't follow the Discord, definitely try to follow this Discord, because the development team engages so well compared to other node projects, as well as listen to the community. For example, all right, so I'm holding all these node projects, nodes right now, and the fee for let's just say a THOR was at $20. They actually cut everything in half, so now it's only a $10 fee. All right, so this one is gonna pretty it's a dope one to look into. Definitely do your own research. And last but not least, this is my brand new project that I've been talking about, is Luna One. Those of you who missed the pre-distribution at 15 cents, it is going to be at 25 cents. All right, so it is at 25 cents. The distribution sale ends and starts trading at in 88 days. So you have 88 days to jump in at a quarter for an XLN before it starts running up and going to the moon. I'll leave description down below on where to buy it, because you do get a 30% buying bonus, and it will start going down as soon as this timer starts going down. So until then, don't let anyone FUD out your bag. That's the number one rule. Be patient and do your own research. All right. Until then, keep on finding FUD. Peace.